So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to create an account in the Shopify website. And after that, simply, as you can see, what we need to do, we have to go to the settings icon. Here's the settings icon. So let's click on the settings icon. And after clicking on this, as you can see, has the option for the taxes and duties. So we have to click on the taxes and duties. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you will be able to see all the options here, like the country wise, the region wise. As you can see, these all countries are mentioned here. If you want to check out them or if you want to manage them, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on the Canada. And after clicking on the Canada, you have to make changes, that collection in the new region, override. These all options are provided here. So basically, I'm going to back again. And these all countries are provided here. You can adjust them according to your need. And let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, these are some apps. These are the paid. If you want to install them, you can also do that. They will help you in the tax compliance and the tax calculator as well. So upgrade your advanced Shopify. If you want to upgrade your Shopify, you can also do that. Include sell taxes in the product price shipping rate. You can also take this one. And as you can see, charge a tax on the shipping. If you want this, then you can also do that. Charge VAT on digital goods. You can also do that. It's up to you that which things are you are setting. And after doing these all things, you just need to hit the save and these settings will be saved. So in this way, you can adjust your tax and duties. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.